Add to group photos. If somebody sends you a link to an album and they say, please add your photos from this trip, here's how you do it. You must have a Google account. Now, you don't have to use Google Photos. It'll be easier if you do, but you don't have to. You do have to have a Google account. And then on the computer, when you're viewing the shared album, you just look for this little image with a plus. It's a tiny little icon. It's easier to see on the phone app. So I want to show you this. Jim says that he sent me a link to an album of his that I could then add photos to. All you have to do is click on the link. And you will be seeing these photos whether you have a Google account or not. It's just a link that shows you his photos. But if you do have a Google account and you are signed into it, you will have this icon on the computer. It's all the way up at the top here. It says Add Photos. So I can click that. Now, what I'm seeing here is my Google Photos, but I can search for scuba. And here, this really is one of my absolute favorites. I will select that one and select that one, and I'll click Done. I have now added those two pictures to his album, and this is a group album now. He could send that link to you. Now I want to show you on the phone. In Google Photos, find it in Collections and Albums. And then I love this new feature. You can select all albums, my albums, or shared with me. So I am just looking for an album that was shared with me, and I should see Jim's diving album. And here is the Add Photos. Well, that's all. She's one of our dive buddies. I will add her to this album. And now notice pictures that I've added have my name on them. Pictures that were Jim's originally have his name on them. So that is adding your photos to a group album. Just click the link that was sent to you. You must have a Google account and signed into it. Find the plus to add your photos to a group album.